Wishlist feature in product tags. In this video, we'll show you how the wishlist feature works in Publuu and how it can help you collect product inquiries directly from your Flipbook. Let's start with a Flipbook that contains product tags. Product tags allow readers to view additional information about a product, such as its name, price, purchase link, and description. With the wishlist feature enabled, readers can also save products they're interested in by clicking the Add to Wishlist button. The product is instantly added to their personal wish list. As readers continue browsing your catalog, they can add more products and build a list of items they want to remember, compare, or purchase later. At any time, they can open the wishlist panel to review their selections. Here, they can increase or decrease product quantities, remove products they no longer need, and update their list before sending it. Once they're ready, they can submit their wish list directly from the Flipbook. All it requires is an email address. After submission, the reader receives a confirmation email containing all selected products, quantities, and pricing information. At the same time, you receive a notification email with the reader's contact details and a complete list of the products they selected. Let's see where you can find the wish list option. Press Add Hotspot next to your Flipbook and select a product tag. In the product tag settings, you'll find the Add to Wishlist option. The feature is enabled by default. To disable it, simply switch the toggle off and save your changes. You can turn it back on at any time. Explore more. Discover what's possible with Publuu.